Here we go, day one of my living in Maui. This trip is different than previous trips. In the past few years, I've been coming and staying in hotels, the resort, doing surfing lessons and water skiing, all sorts of different things, hiking and stuff. This time I'm here visiting my family, my kids and grandkids, and helping them do some renovation on their property. Here we're walking around their house here. They have a beautiful view of the ocean, well, when it's not so cloudy. It's been rainy. And my grandkids, so much jungle. We're smack dab in the middle of some jungle on the north side of Maui near Haiku. And here's a little bit of their property. A little outdoor shower. Yeah, I got a nice little house here. I mean, plenty of room. Don't get me wrong. We did for a little drive, just so get out a little bit, a little break from things. Had some Thai food at a little food truck there. Then headed down to the beach for a little walk with dog and the kids. And yeah, we're real close to the airport, this little beach. Yeah, it's even though there's not a lot of miles on this island, everything is a decent time to drive everywhere. It's people go slow. Roads are, it's not any major freeways here. That's Molly, little puppy. There's my son-in-law Pete, and the grandkids you see wandering around. Beautiful ocean water is always warm here. Couple little shots of things, and then back to work. Let's look at what we're working with here. We're working in a bathroom here, tearing out that tub. Tearing out the tub caused a lot of plumbing issues, so as we plug something above, something started leaking below, so we're gonna have to redo a bunch of this section here. You can see we got a little bit of tape over just to slow down the leak while we're getting stuff together. And here's a nice little sunset. Cleared up a little bit tonight. Thanks for watching.